You must be wondering how to make any girl chase after you. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 powerful steps that you can practice. It's all about being a guy who is respected, confident, and of course, making the girl you like get seriously attracted to you. No need for small talk. Let's dive straight into these steps that will make any girl truly fall for you. Have you ever felt strange? Why does it seem like a girl likes you more when you ignore her, or when you go quiet on her? Well, this isn't a coincidence, bro. There's a secret behind it. And today I'm going to share the tricks with you. Whatever your issue is, feeling confused, maybe she's becoming distant, or you're losing hope because your crush isn't responding the way you expected. Don't worry, bro. Don't panic just yet. There's a strategy you can use to make her regret and chase after you again. Before we start, you need to know one important thing. In relationships, there's a psychological phenomenon often called insult or negging. This isn't just about insulting for the sake of it, but this kind of insult can actually make a girl more attracted to you. But remember, don't misunderstand this. This isn't about putting her down or lowering her self-worth. It's about how you can manipulate the dynamics of the relationship in a subtle and elegant way. Okay, now it's time to explain 3 steps that will make the girl you're interested in want to get closer to you even more. Step 1. Shift your focus away from her. The first key thing you have to remember is, don't waste all your time chasing after her. You need to shift your focus from her and start focusing on yourself. When you stop focusing too much on her, you're indirectly giving her space to miss you. Remember, when someone is always there, it's easy to take them for granted. But when they start pulling away, a sense of loss will emerge. For example, if you usually contact her all the time, now try to cut back a little. Not saying you should disappear, but make yourself a little busier. Busy with things you enjoy. She will start wondering why you're being less attentive, why you're not contacting her as much. This will make her start missing your presence. By creating this space, you give her the opportunity to feel the loss of you. This will spark her curiosity, making her want to know what you're doing, why you're being less attentive. When you're busy with your own life, you're also sending the message that your life doesn't just revolve around her, and this can make her even more attracted to you. Don't forget, focusing on your personal growth will also help you become the best version of yourself. This not only makes you more attractive in her eyes, but also gives you greater confidence to overcome life's challenges. Step 2. Make her miss you a lot. After you've successfully given her space, now it's time to make her miss you even more. The way to do this is simple, bro. First, try not to reply to her chats or calls right away. Make her wait a bit before you reply. Let her feel curious and a little anxious. On social media, try not to like or comment too much on her posts. This is important because if you're too active on her social media, she might feel like you're still chasing her. But if you disappear from her online activities, she'll start wondering why you've changed, what you're doing. Also, start posting fun and exciting things you're doing on social media without involving her. Show that you're enjoying yourself without her. This will make her think why you're enjoying yourself without her, and this could be a powerful weapon to make her feel the loss and miss you a lot. When you do this step correctly, you'll start seeing changes. She'll contact you more often, ask how you're doing more often, and maybe even she'll start arranging to meet up with you. All of this because you've successfully made her feel the loss and miss you a lot. It's also important to remember that you shouldn't make this step seem too forced or fake. You have to stay true to yourself and maintain sincere communication. Even though you're trying to make her miss you, don't let it seem like you're playing with her feelings. Because the goal of all this is to create a dynamic that makes her more attracted to you, not to hurt her. Step 3. Be a guy who's hard to find. The last step is the key to making her truly fall in love with you. After you've successfully made her miss you, now it's time to be the guy who's hard to find. How do you do this? First, don't always be available whenever she wants to meet. Make yourself a little harder to reach. For example, if she asks to meet, tell her you need to check your schedule first, or that you already have other plans. This will make her feel like your time is valuable, and she can't just ask for your attention whenever she wants. Also, don't open up completely. Leave a little mystery in your conversations. Don't be too open about your plans. Let her feel curious and want to know more. By doing this, you're managing her expectations and making every meeting with you more special. Remember, most people value things that are hard to get. By being the guy who's hard to find, you create a challenge that makes her want to keep chasing you. And when you meet up, be the guy who stands out more and make sure every moment you spend with her is memorable. That way, even though you're not always around, she'll keep remembering the moments you shared and want to experience them again. So, in conclusion, these 3 steps: shift your focus, make her miss you and be hard to find, can help you make any girl fall in love and chase after you. But remember, you must always respect her feelings. Don't hurt her or lower her self-worth. The goal here is to create a dynamic that makes her more attracted to you, not to destroy her feelings. I remind you again, if you want to get the girl of your dreams, don't forget to focus on your own personal growth. Girls like guys who are confident and have an interesting life. So make sure you stay busy with the things you love and that help you keep growing. This won't just make you more attractive in her eyes, but also make you a better guy overall. Thanks, I hope this is helpful.